guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can speed up audios without changing the pitch of the audio. You can either select from your library or record it here. So I'm just going to select this red button to record. 1, 2, 3, testing. Testing 1, 2, 3. That's what I meant to say. 1, 2, 3, testing. I'm going to then select this audio here. I'm going to go to speed. And here, if you have voice tone change enabled, you're going to want to turn it off. So this is what it's going to sound like when it's on and I speed it up. I'll speed it down a little bit. Okay, see, as you can see, the pitch changed. So I'm just going to disable it, and this is what it's going to sound like. So the voice tone did not change when I turned it off. So yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!